In the world of cryptocurrency, future trading and leverage can seem a bit daunting, but they don't have to be. Let's break it down simply. Future trading is like making a bet on where the price of a cryptocurrency will go in the future. Instead of buying Bitcoin today, a trader can enter a contract to buy it at a set price later. If the price goes up, the trader profits. If it goes down, they lose. It's all about predicting market movements. Now let's talk about leverage. Leverage allows traders to control a larger position than they could with just their own money. Imagine having 1,000 and using 10x leverage. This means the trader can control $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. It sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. While leverage can amplify profits, it can also amplify losses. If the market moves against the trader, they could lose their entire investment quickly. For beginners, it's crucial to understand that trading with leverage is risky. It's like borrowing money to invest. If the investment goes well, the returns can be fantastic. But if it doesn't, the losses can be significant. That's why many experts recommend starting with small amounts and practicing with demo accounts before diving into real trading. Experienced traders often use leverage strategically. They analyze market trends, use technical analysis, and set stop-loss orders to protect their investments. A stop-loss order automatically sells a position when it reaches a certain price, helping to minimize losses. This is a smart way to manage risk while trading with leverage. It's also important to choose the right platform for future trading. Some exchanges offer better leverage options, while others provide more educational resources for beginners. Researching and finding a platform that suits individual trading styles can make a big difference. Another key point is to stay updated on market news. Cryptocurrency prices can be influenced by various factors, including regulations, technological advancements, and market sentiment. Being informed helps traders make better decisions. In summary, future trading and leverage can be powerful tools in the crypto world. For beginners, it's essential to start small, understand the risks, and practice before investing real money. Experienced traders can use leverage to enhance their strategies, but they must remain vigilant and manage their risks carefully. With the right knowledge and approach, anyone can navigate the exciting world of crypto trading. Happy trading!